YouTube, what's happening? It's Caesar, the detail guy. Just coming back. It's been a little while since I shot a video, but just a little quick update video on what I've been in here up to. Probably can see patients in the background, but I just been working, doing my thing. Let me switch it around. Yeah, you do see patients in the background, but what you also see, if you can see, is the sound system going in. Sound system going in. I got that Ultra Cap going in there. The AGM battery. Got all my amps and things going. Got another one right here. So I got my 2 highs amp, my subwoofer amp right here. Subwoofer amp. I'm going with Orion, if you heard of them. That's what I'm going with. I got multiple Orions in there with the Orion 10 and all the Orion inside speakers and all. Tried something different, the new little setup in there with the speakers. But I'm in the wiring up phase now, so I'm building the boards and all that. So right now I'm building my power wire board right now. I got all this stuff mounted on. So this is the power board right here. The RCA stuff and all that, I already got that pretty much set up, but that's what I've been in here up to, working on this type stuff and just working. Like right now, I'm getting ready to shoot over to Chesapeake and get some work done. But man, it's been hot than a mother. It's been raining. So I pulled patients out a couple times, but I ain't pull it out a lot. Cause I wasn't trying to get caught in the rain. Y'all see that, Jane? Oh man, be flying in that whip, y'all. Anyway, hold on, y'all. Just trying to fill the van up with some water. Like I said, I'm getting ready to shoot over to Chesapeake. I got a couple 18-wheelers I got to go do over there. So just prepping, getting enough water in here. That's all I need for the road. But it's been hot, man. It's been, oh my God. It's been, I don't want to say hell because I don't know what hell feel like, but it's been close. Actually, no, I ain't even say close. It's just been extremely hot. I really ain't felt like doing too much, especially picking up this camera. Won't much to do with that. I had a lot that I was working on with the vehicle. Patients coming along. I got something else I'm getting ready to do to her here soon. Probably after this weekend coming up. This weekend we got the DJ Envy car show. I think my man Ace over at Get You Right Automotive, he got Dunkmaster coming down, and they're gonna be doing a bottle signing at one of the liquor stores out Newport News. So I'm trying to get patients ready for that. I got all the internal wiring done on her now. So I'm basically almost where I need to be with that. I gotta get the lower door panels put on. I'm gonna probably do that sometime this week before the weekend comes. But everything in there is good to go. This should be ready. This should be ready to probably tomorrow, because I really ain't got much left to do in here, to be honest with you. I had to get a board. I had to make a board for the bottom here, all the way across. So that's a board. I put another board up top here for the mount the speaker and mount the 2 batteries. I created a bracket set up over here that houses the 2500 amp, the 600 amp, and then the crossover there. So all that stuff is mounted in. You ain't gotta worry about that stuff coming out. That's mounted in. Now I just gotta figure out the wiring setup, which with the 2 batteries being up here, Actually, this is a battery, and this is a what they call an ultra cap capacitor by what's that? Ioxys, which is a XS company. Look these up, man. You might want to get you one of these to put in the mix of your system, and just do the research on how to hook them up and set them up good, and it'll last. I mean, this is supposed to have a 15-year life on it. This capacitor here, 15 or longer. This capacitor here is supposed to make your battery and your alternator last even longer, because once this powers up, all the power from your system gonna come off of this battery. And what happens is this battery unloads and loads so fast, it'll send all the power you need and get the power that it needs right back and hold it. As soon as you need some more power, it drops it, pulls it right back. But what it does is not constantly straining your battery and constantly straining your alternator. Like normally, you would have a battery with your sound system hooked off, and the bit of powers that you would need for your sound system is constantly pulling from the battery, which is constantly forcing the alternator to have to keep trying to charge, which eventually what you'll do is you'll wear out your alternator and burn your battery up fast. So the Ultra Cap, what that does is all the power drops in here as needed. It drops it, but it recharges so fast. I'm talking like I guess that sound means whatever it means, but it recharges so fast where your battery and alternator don't even notice it. It's crazy how it works. But it's different things you got to do to it. Like you see those two wires right there, they're going to connect the two batteries together. But if you see this here, it's a battery on and off, disconnect. When you ain't using the system or using the sound system, turn this off. This gonna be in the middle where it's gonna be able to turn the capacitor off, because this joker will continue to try to charge itself if you leave it on. It's a Bluetooth capable battery as well, or cap as well, so you can monitor it in the car on your phone or on your dash radio, whatever you got. You can monitor this bad boy. It's dope, but you gotta turn it off. If you don't turn it off when you're not using it, it can drain your battery, especially when it's just sitting here, because once it loses the power that it has, if it drops it to anything that's needed in the car, it's gonna want to recharge itself right away, which is a good thing and a bad thing, because if you're not using it, the bad thing is it's gonna drain your main battery, and then you'll be, trying to charge up the main battery again. Whereas when you turn it off, it leaves everything like it's supposed to be. As soon as you turn it back on, once you start the car, turn it back on, everything balances itself right back out. It's real simple. Ain't nothing crazy to it. You just got to be aware of that when you put these types of systems in your car. And mine is a moderate system. I just got a bunch of highs and mids and one single 10. So I want my stuff to be, getting the right power, so it could do what it's supposed to be doing, because I don't want no crazy rattle trunk type stuff. I want my system to be extremely clear. So that's why, you see me trying to do this the right way. So, yeah, so that's what I've been in here doing. This joke is still sitting here. I done got some stuff done to it. I got an appointment to get the undercarriage sprayed, sandblasted and sprayed. So that's getting ready to happen here soon. Once that get done, I'll hit y'all back on some news with this one. But this one got some stuff coming for the paint on the outside of the car. So ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just, my painter is a perfectionist, and he sees something that he want to do to the car to enhance it. Not no ceramic coat, not no wet sand and buff, something else. So I'm gonna let him do his thing, but I'm gonna kind of see what his time frame is on it and let him do it. But that's all, y'all. That's all I've been doing. Of course, I've been driving the car. I think I got about 1,300 miles on the car now. I've been driving her. That don't really mean nothing, but it's a weekend car, so I've been driving it on the weekends. I'll pull it out in the morning, go down to the beach, get me a cup of coffee, chill, get my thoughts together, stuff like that. But I ain't really been road running her, but I've been driving. I've been enjoying my car. So, but yeah, that's what we got going. I got to get off of here because I got to get to work. I got 2 18-wheelers in Chesapeake that I got to go and do. And then I got 2 more right here that I got to do. They're going to be waiting all day because if you can see, it's bright out this joint. So I got that black one right there I got to do. And you see this white one over here, hide behind the dump truck. I got to do that one too. So I'm messing around. So let me get off this phone, man. Y'all know what it is. When I got some more, I'll hit you back going.